Hi everyone, this is Carl. So a lot of people have some problem with setting context in Dialogflow, either working with the Google Assistant or with an integration like Facebook Messenger. So I've been working the last few days on a restaurant agent, which gonna teach you how to use context and follow-up intents in order to process something with your agent. So this is only a sneak peek of what we're gonna build together. So I'm just gonna show you how it work in reality in action on Google. And in another video which I'm preparing, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that with Dialogflow and with Google Assistant or with Facebook Messenger or with a third party like ChatFuel. So let's see how it works. So, hola.
Hi, welcome to PizzaBot. My name is Simone. If you want to order some pizza, just let me know. You can order by saying something like, I want pizza.
So let's just say, I want pizza. This is to trigger the pizza order intent, which is the first one.
How many pizza do you want?
So then we have some prompts. I want just one.
What size of pizza do you want?
I'm dreaming of a large one.
What type of pizza?
A pepperoni pizza, please.
Any special demand?
Nope.
Okay, got it. So you want one large pepperoni pizza. Please confirm by saying yes or no.
So this is context that will kick in with a follow-up intent, which will lead to the next intent that will ask us about drinks, which is the part 2 of the intent.
Do you want a drink with your one large pepperoni pizza?
Yes.
How many drinks?
Just one. I'm not thirsty right now.
What size for your drinks?
A small one.
What type for your drinks?
A cola.
Okay, great. So please confirm your order. One small Coke and one large pepperoni pizza.
Yes.
Your order is confirmed. Thanks for ordering with PizzaBot.
So with the example, we're gonna show you how it works and how to build it. If the user just say yes, but if the user say no, or if the user changes mind. So this is just a small peek of what I'm gonna show you in the tutorial. So I hope that you like it. If you want to have specific stuff to be covered in this tutorial, please comment on the Facebook group, the Dialogflow community, or on the Facebook or the YouTube video, pardon. And I'll be happy to integrate your question to the tutorial, which I'm going to launch this week. So have a great day, guys, or a great evening. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.